Hi, this is Austin. Today I would like to share how to deal with a modal problem that occurs by displaying two or more user forms. For example, when I click on this button, the first user form is prompted up, and then the second user form is prompted out when I click on this button. If let's say I want to close these two user forms at the same time by pressing this button, we will realize that an error occurs where the message tells us we must close or hide the topmost model form first. Then we check our code here. We can see that actually we want to close the first one before the second. So it means that we actually order the sequence here. So what can we do here is we can simply change the position of the code. Means that we change 1 to 2 and 2 to 1. Then the problem can be solved, as we can see here. Now let's say we don't want to change the position of the cube, means that we want to remain first, then followed by second. So what can we do here is we go to first user form, then we click on properties window, and we will see this. Okay, then we look for show model, and then we turn to false. Okay, then everything can be solved also. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. See you.